Hello guys, I am Radhika. Today we are going to learn about few AI tools which are going to change the way you do SEO. These AI tools will help you in your competitors analysis as well as do your real-time research while doing your SEO planning. Not only this, but we are also going to learn how you can do your content writing without hampering your SEO score, and also we will learn how to audit a website based on its structure. But guys, let me tell you, learning all this is just a piece of cake from a party. What I mean to say is that using the right kind of AI tools is very essential for your work to become 2 times faster. If you want to learn all this, you can join our workshop. Link is in the description. Our first tool for today is Perplexity. While doing SEO or running any campaign, we need real-time data for our research. I am sure that you must have faced this issue with ChatGPT where it cannot give real-time data. Well, Perplexity covers it for you. For instance, I am asking annual sales of Myntra. Here you go. It gave the correct answer. Next, I asked trending reel ideas. This tool can prove to be very helpful in your researches while doing digital marketing work. Our next tool is Harper.ai. It is a Chrome extension which helps us to analyze any websites very clearly. Let me show you a demo on Myntra's website. When we click on Harper's logo in the extension section, this dialog box appears. From the pre-existing prompts, I told Harper to give me summary of this website, and it gave me the result. You can see the magic yourself. My next request to Harper is to give me all the list of keywords that Myntra uses. And then within fraction of seconds, it gave me the most accurate result. Now, let's ask Harper that what are those social media platforms on which Myntra shows their ads. And here you go again. So amazing, right? This is a very fine tool when you are doing your competitors analysis or when you are picking up your new clients. We have to spend minimum 2 to 3 hours while doing any website's analysis. But using this AI, it can be done within a fraction of seconds. This is exactly the magic of AI. It makes us 10 times faster. Well, you can also learn it by joining our workshop. Let me tell you what's this workshop all about. AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs. Millions of jobs has been replaced by AI and what not. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become
In
irreplaceable
which
in your
we will
career,
teach you all
join
about the
our
best
3 hour
AI tools to
workshop.
upskill, increase your
Make your
productivity,
future
and
secure
enhance your
with
career.
us. Join our workshop by clicking in the link below in the description now. Let's move on to our next AI tool, which is ScaleNut. This tool offers us a lot of features like keyword research, SEO ranking, website auditing, content writing, and many more, that too for free. Let's explore its features together. You have to sign in with Google first, and then you have to enter few of your basic informations first. After doing this procedure, the dashboards open. Here we get a lot of options. One of them is content writing. For instance, I have used two keywords which are food and easy food recipes. It took almost 30 seconds to process, and then after that my file was ready. Next step is to tell this AI that in what context I want to make my content. For example, I want to make a video on do's and don'ts in the kitchen. Next step is to give the title to my vlog, which it suggested itself. After this, it gave me a basic outline of what my blog will be looking like. You can do all the necessary changes in the next few steps, and within no time, your blog is ready. You get a lot more tools within this AI, such as Keyword Finder, Keyword Rank Checker, SEO Analyzer, and few others. For now, let's explore one of these tools. Let's see how SEO Analyzer works. Here, we have to enter the URL of the website for which we need to do our research. For now, I am using its own website, which is scalenut.com. According to its research, this website's SEO score is 93, which is pretty good. It gave us many more derivatives which will help us in understanding our website internally, which will eventually help us in improving our website strength so that it ranks better. So amazing, right? Just like this one, there are many ways by which AI can make your life so much easier. If you want to learn all about them, you can join our workshop. Link is in the description. I hope that these tools proves to be helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and hit the subscribe button for more such useful videos. Thank you.